Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best barbecue smoker for your backyard. The Royal Gourmet CC1830S 30-inch barbecue charcoal grill and offset smoker. If you're serious about outdoor cooking, whether it's grilling or slow smoking, this model is designed to elevate your barbecue game with its impressive features and spacious cooking area. Right off the bat, the Royal Gourmet CC1830S offers a massive 811 square inches of cooking surface. This includes a 443 square inch porcelain enameled steel wire cooking grate, a 184 square inch chrome plated warming rack, and an additional 184 square inch offset smoker. What this means for you is the versatility to cook a variety of foods simultaneously. Whether it's searing steaks on the main grill, keeping sides warm on the rack, or smoking ribs low and slow in the offset chamber. One of the standout features of this smoker is its offset design, which is firmly attached to the charcoal grill to ensure excellent heat and smoke circulation. It includes a convenient side door that lets you easily add charcoal and remove ashes without disrupting the cooking process. The built-in air vent helps stoke the fire quickly, giving you greater control over the temperature, which is essential for that perfect smoky flavor. Heat control is further enhanced with a 2-level adjustable charcoal pan that holds up to 4.4 pounds of coal. This adjustability means you can fine-tune your heat source depending on what you're cooking, whether you need high heat for grilling or lower, steady heat for smoking. Monitoring your cooking temperature is made simple with the lid-mounted thermometer gauge. This feature lets you keep an eye on the heat without having to lift the lid and lose valuable smoke and heat. In addition to the cooking features, the Royal Gourmet CC1830S is designed with practicality in mind. It has a front and side table, providing ample workspace to organize your seasonings, tools, and utensils. Plus, there's a bottom shelf that can hold up to 20 pounds of grilling accessories when distributed evenly. This storage helps keep everything you need right at hand, making your barbecue sessions smoother and more enjoyable. The dimensions of this grill are 27.95 inches deep by 53.39 inches wide and 48.82 inches tall, making it a substantial presence in your backyard but still manageable enough to fit comfortably in most outdoor spaces. The grill is finished in sleek black, adding a classic look that fits well with any patio or garden setting. Fueling this grill is charcoal, which is preferred by many barbecue enthusiasts for the rich flavor it imparts. The removable charcoal pan and easy-to-use air vents make it a breeze to maintain your fire, whether you're starting fresh or adjusting for long cook times. Overall, the Royal Gourmet CC1830S barbecue charcoal grill and offset smoker is a comprehensive package for anyone looking to enjoy the full experience of backyard grilling and smoking. Its large cooking surface, efficient heat management, and thoughtful design features combine to offer a reliable and enjoyable outdoor cooking solution. If you're in the market for a versatile, sturdy, and feature-packed smoker that can handle everything from quick grills to long smokes, this Royal Gourmet model is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and product insights. See you next time.